Yes, good afternoon, student. This is part of digital electronics unit, and see, question 15 is using Boolean laws. Simplify the following expression and realize it. And what is the y? Y equal to a into next bracket a bar into c bracket complete into next last bracket a bar into b plus c bar bracket complete. Okay. Now see, and question is using Boolean laws, simplify the following equation and realize it. Means what? Try to solve this equation based on which law? Based on Boolean laws. Based on Boolean laws. And if there any if there is any minimal equation, then you can draw circuit diagram using logic gates. Okay, now see, y equal to a into bracket next bracket a bar into c plus a bar b plus c. Now this can be written as, dear student, this can be written as, I will use dear student, please mute yourself. If you have any question you can ask. Now see, this can be written as, I will multiply a with first bracket, therefore I will write a into a bar into c into a bar b plus c bar. Okay. Now, what is the A into A bar? Yes, students. What is the A into A bar? Anyone? Dear student, A into A bar equal to 0.
0.
Therefore, here I can write 0 into C into A bar into B plus C. Now, 0 into C. 0 into C is 0.
0.
0 into A bar B plus C. And hence, final answer is 0. Understood? Yes. Hello, students. Understood to the level?
Yes, sir.
Means if your equation is 0, then don't draw circuit diagram. Now see the next. Can I proceed for next?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now see, next is, see, next equation is a into y equal to a into a bar into b plus a b bar. Okay. Now see, yes. This equation can be written as a plus, I will write a bar b plus a b bar. Okay. Now a bar into b plus a b bar is Boolean equation of which gate? Anyone? Hello students. A plus a bar into b plus a b bar is Boolean equation of which gate? Dear student, a bar b plus a b bar can be written as a XOR b. A XOR B. Therefore, here I will write A plus A XOR. Understood, dear student? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, here final is what? Y equal to A plus A XOR B. And dear student, from this equation, there are only two inputs. There are only two inputs. Therefore, I will draw two vertical lines. See, I will draw two vertical lines. One is for A and one is for B. See, A, B. Now, A plus, here first, see, A plus A XOR B, I will write this is equal to x1 plus x2. x1 plus x2 means x1 equal to A and x2 equal to A XOR. Okay. Therefore, for x1 plus x2, I can draw, get like this, x1 and x2. Is it correct? Hello, students.
Yes, sir.
Now A, I will assume A, and x2, I will assume A XOR B. But what is your x1? x1 is your A. क्या है आपका A. But x2 equal to A XOR B. Therefore, I will take this, I will connect this x2 line to A XOR B. This is your A. Understood? Therefore, see how to draw. I will take one wire from A, one from B. This is your A XOR B. Okay, then I will take one more logic gate, that is OR gate. This is your one. Understood, dear student? This is your XOR.
Yes.
It A after OR. Okay, means try to first minimize your equation and then try to minimize this equation and then draw circuit diagram using logic gate. Yes, can I proceed for next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then see. Next question is,
Hey, अपना खाया तू? आप खाया मम्मी से कुछ?
next question is dear student, my request is please mute yourself. Okay. Now, next equation is y equal to a plus a bar into b bar plus c plus a bar into b bar into c bar plus abc plus a bar into b bar. Now, from this, I will, dear student, from this equation, I will take a bar into b bar, a bar into b bar, and here a bar into b bar. Okay, common from this equation. Understood, dear student? Hello. Okay, no problem. Now see, a plus, here I will take a bar into b bar in bracket c plus c bar plus 1 plus abc. Understood, dear student, up to this level? Anyone say can yes?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
A plus a bar into b bar in bracket, देखो, take a bar b bar from this term, this and a. Okay. Now this can be written as, here I will write c plus c bar plus 1. Can you tell me what is the c plus c bar? Anyone? C plus c bar is equal to 1.
1.
So 1 plus 1 is what? 1. Okay. Now here this can be written as a plus a bar b bar into 1 plus abc. Now I can take a common from this part. Therefore, a in bracket a plus bc plus a bar into b bar. Here I'll write a bar into b bar into 1 is a bar b bar. Now here, what is the 1 plus bc? Anyone? Yes. What is the 1 plus a? What is the 1 plus a? Hello students. 1 plus 1 a
One.
is 1. Very good. Similarly, 1 plus bc is 1. क्या होगा उसका 1 होगा.
One.
Therefore, here I will write 1 plus a bar b bar. And final answer is here a plus a bar b bar. Understood? And then draw diagram for a plus a bar b bar. I will show. I will draw here. I will check is there any space. I will draw here. See. Again here there are two inputs. There shown A and A, B. A and B are two inputs, and again there are two complements A and B. Okay. Therefore, see, I will draw two vertical lines A, B, and we need two complements. That is A bar B bar. Okay, sir. Okay, students. Okay, see now we have A plus A bar B bar. For A bar into B bar, I can draw which gate?
And again.
AND gate. And here we need A bar into B bar. Therefore, I will take one line from and one from, okay? And plus means which gate? Plus means
Or gate.
OR gate. Therefore, I will take this line I will take one line from A. This is your A. This is your A bar. And here I will use, therefore, which gate? OR gate. Okay. This is your A. Final is A plus A bar B bar. Understood, dear student?
Yes, sir.
See, I will draw further. See, and this is your, okay. Yes. Can I proceed for next question? Okay.
Yes.
Means first try to minimize. First try to minimize given equation, and then draw circuit diagram for your final output. Okay, that is y equal to your equation based on Boolean algebra. Okay, now see next. Yes, next is y equal to a plus a bar b plus ab. Okay, now see how to solve this. I will zoom this. Yes. Dear student, from this equation, we can take, see here, I can take B common from this, from second and third. Is it correct? Hello, student. Is it okay? I'll take,
Yes, sir.
we can
Sir,
take,
repeat again. Sir, repeat again.
see, y equal to a plus a bar into b plus ab. And from second and third term, we can we take b common from second and third term? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can you take a? No. Therefore, here we can take b common from this term. Therefore, we will write a plus b in bracket a bar plus a. And dear student, what is the a bar plus a? Hello student. Anyone? Dear student, a bar
A plus A bar.
a,
0,
a, a bar plus a is equal to 1.
1,
1. Therefore, here a plus b into 1. Again, b into 1, dear student, b into 1 is b. And therefore,
B,
final answer is a plus
A plus B,
that is y equal to, dear student, a plus b. And a plus b is your which gate?
OR
Anyone?
gate.
Perfect. And therefore, I will draw two vertical lines for input A, B, then take one line from A and one line from B. This dot indicates connection, and then I will draw this OR gate, and finally is your y equal to A plus B. Here I'll write, we can write OR gate. Understood, dear student? Can I proceed for next point?
Yes, sir.
Dear student, if you have any doubt, any question, any query, or any suggestion, you can. Okay. Just see. Don't write anything because I will share all these study material. Don't worry. Yes. Next is, yes. Explain the full adder. You can explain the half adder. You can explain. I have already given explanation of half adder. Okay.
Yes,
Today I'll take only Boolean equations. Again, full adder. Yes. Now see. Yes. Here, question is, yes, what is our question? Your question is write necessary output from circuit diagram, means find out the final output. Okay. Now see how we can write. Okay. See your left hand side diagram is, uh, there are 4 NAND gates. Yes or no, student?
Yes, sir.
See
yes,
your
sir.
left hand side screen, and that circuit diagram consists of 4 NAND gates with different combinations. Okay, and here A and B are inputs. A and B are inputs, and therefore, see, for first I'll here write one. I'll write here. In exam, we will ask based on circuit diagram, right, find out your final output. Okay, here I'll write 1, 2, 3. Okay, now see, output of NAND gate 1. Here I'll write output of 1, A bar, A B bar. Is it correct, dear student? Hello.
Sir.
Yes. And what are the inputs of gate 2? Inputs are A and AB whole bar. Is it correct, student? Hello,
Yes, sir.
student. Yes,
Yes.
देखो, input gate number 2 is again NAND gate, and inputs of gate number 2 are A and AB whole bar. Therefore, output of NAND gate is what? Multiplication of inputs with whole bar. Multiply inputs, take product of inputs and then complement of that product. Okay. Now see, that is output of 2 can be written as A into AB whole bar again.
Whole bar.
Okay. Therefore, I will write.
Yes.
Then we can use De Morgan's theorem. First, only write the output uh, based on theoretical concept of NAND. Now see gate number 3, and in gate number 3 inputs are here A, B whole bar and B. Understood, dear student? Yes
Yes,
or no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Nice.
Yes, sir.
Now again gate number 3 is again NAND gate, and for NAND gate, output can be written as complement of product of inputs. Therefore, I'll take first product of input A B whole bar into B
Into B whole bar.
whole bar. Okay, and the final output is your gate number 4. And for gate number 4, due to this, for gate number 4, here I'll write for gate 4 inputs are A
A into AB bar the whole bar.
whole bar and dear student AB bar
Bar
into B
B bar. Whole bar.
Okay, therefore we can write C. Take multiplication of inputs and then again whole bar. That is, therefore y equal to we can write we can write E plus A E whole bar again whole bar into A B bar into B. Okay, and I will use a different color. So is it correct? Yes, one. Dekho, please check,
Sir.
please check. See. See. Multiplication of inputs and take a complement of that, and therefore now you can use De Morgan's theorem. And here I will consider this is suppose x1. This is suppose x1 first and second term is x2. Therefore, and for this case, see, I will use see. Now, dear student, I will consider this can be written as A plus AB bar whole bar again whole bar plus AB bar into B again double bar. Is it
Double bar.
correct? Is it correct,
Yes,
student?
sir.
Yes. Now see, we know that A double bar is same. Okay.
A.
Therefore, here we can write A plus AB bar plus AB bar
AB
into
bar
B. Into
B.
B. Correct? Now again, this can be written as C. This can be written as A plus A bar plus B bar. Is it correct? Plus
Yes, sir.
plus A bar
A bar plus B bar plus B.
into B. Into B, na? Yes or no?
Sorry.
No. Therefore, this can be written as, see again, dear student, see. Now, we can multiply B with A bar and B bar. Is it okay? See, can I multiply this b with this term? Therefore, now see,
Sir,
next. Hello. Yes,
sir,
any
can
doubt?
can you explain from the second step?
Okay,
And
okay.
sir, slide down a little bit. I'm not able to see that diagram.
Don't see that diagram. Just see the equation. Which term? Can I explain this term again?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, no problem. See, this is your into sign. Using De Morgan's theorem, into replace into sign by plus sign. Step number 1. And take again complement of these whole terms, because here I will write as per De Morgan's theorem, AB whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Okay. Now this is your into. Immediately replace into by plus sign. ये जो into है ना by plus sign, and then take complement of whole term, this and this. Okay. Therefore, double complement is what? Double complement is
पर
of.
आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही.
Sir, you are audible, sir.
I'm not
आ रही
audible.
है. आ रही है सर.
Please check your connection. Please check your connection, dear student. Okay. Now
कोई
see.
नहीं आ रहा.
Hello. Hello.
Sir, maybe his network issue. Her network issue will.
Please check your connection. Please check your connection. Okay. Now see. Based on De Morgan's theorem, AB whole bar is what? A bar plus B bar. Similarly, this can be written as, dear student, this can be written as first term complement plus second term complement. Their double complement is what? Discard that term,
A.
remove this part is, and plus plus and then this. Okay. Therefore, AB bar can be written A bar plus B bar.
Plus B bar.
Okay. Now, next see. Now, I will. Can you view screen? आपको screen दिख रही है? Hello,
Yes, sir.
student. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, I'll write A plus A bar plus B bar plus A bar B plus B into B bar. And now B into B bar is 0. B into B bar is 0. Now see,
0.
now I can write what is the A plus A bar? Hello, student.
1.
1. Therefore, I will directly write A plus A bar is 1. Okay. Now, B bar is can be written B bar plus here A bar into 2. Okay. And B into B bar is 0. Therefore, again, this can be written as, what is the 1 plus B bar?
1.
1. 1 plus B bar is 1
1.
plus A bar B. And final answer is 1 plus A bar B. Yes, what is the answer for 1 plus A bar B?
A plus A bar plus B bar.
A bar plus
B bar.
B.
Okay. For this case, 1 plus A bar B, 1 plus any term, dear student, 1 plus any term, always take 1.
1.
So final answer is 1.
Yes, final answer is 1.
1.
Final answer. Okay. Understood up to this level?
Yes, sir.
See
Yes, sir.
carefully. Don't write anything. I am sharing with you all. Okay. Don't take intention. Just see, then rewrite. Take a printout of my assignment and rewrite all that. And if you have any doubt, any query, you can ask anytime. Okay. Now see, the next point is yes. Dear student, you see your left hand side, that is inputs. There are two inputs, A, B, and there are three. Which type of gate? Hello student.
And
NAND gate.
NAND gate hai, that is under the category of universal gate. Okay. And your right hand side is your NOR gate. Again, NOR is under the category of
Universal.
gate. Now see first, see your left hand side. which is the combination of NAND or no? Hello, anyone say can yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Means, I think there is no problem, network problem from my side. Okay. Yes. Now, see your left hand side. Here I'll write 1, 2.
Yes sir, आ रहा है.
आ रहा है ना? Thank you so much. Okay. Now first.
वो नेटवर्क की प्रॉब्लम हो गया था.
Oh, okay, no problem, beta, no problem. होता है ऐसा. Okay. Thank you so much for your response. Yes. Now see your left hand side. Gate number 1. Can I write, dear student? See, for this case, here gate 1 is a shorted input which is connected to A. Therefore, I'll write here A bar. Gate number 2 is connected to B, shorted input, that is, therefore, we can write B bar. And therefore, inputs of gate number 3 are A bar and B bar. And
B bar.
therefore, gate number 3 is your NAND gate, and for NAND gate, multiply two inputs. First, multiply two inputs. See, first multiply two inputs, that is A bar into B bar, and take whole bar. Correct? See, for output of gate
Yes,
number
sir.
3, first multiply and then take complement. And this can be written as A bar, A double bar plus B double bar. And dear student, A double bar
ये लिख
is
सकते A plus B.
A plus B. And which is gate? Which gate? A plus B is which gate? Dear student?
NAND gate. And gate.
Or gate.
Or gate. Dear student, A plus B is your plus means or, into means and. Okay. Yes. Now,
Okay.
no problem, dear student. Thank you so much for your support and your attention. Now see your right hand side. Here I will write A, B. Then I will number 1, 2, 3, 4. For gate number 1, output is A bar. For gate number 2, output is B bar.
B bar.
B bar. Now, gate number 3. Gate number 3.
A bar plus B bar.
A bar plus B bar. For input 3, we can write, dear student, for input 3, we can write A bar plus B bar,
Whole bar.
A bar plus B bar, whole bar. Okay. And for input 4,
सर मुझे एक ना कंफ्यूजन हो रही है.
बोल बेटा.
सर वो इक्वेशन के हिसाब से मतलब प्लस रहेगा तो और गेट रहेगा, बट वो जो बनाया है मतलब डायग्राम थर्ड सर्किट वाला, उसमें थर्ड वाला जो है वो नैंड जैसा ही दिख रहा है ना.
नहीं, ये नॉर है. ये देखना, ऐसा है ना, कव है, कव है. नैंड के लिए देखो,
नहीं नहीं,
straight line.
इसमें नहीं सर, इसमें नहीं सर, इसमें नहीं. फर्स्ट वाले, हाँ फर्स्ट वाले में.
फर्स्ट वाले में
सब NAND है.
फर्स्ट वाला में परफेक्ट देखना, ये स्ट्रेट लाइन है. देखना कितना मैंने प्रॉपर ड्रॉ किया है.
नहीं फर्स्ट वाला नहीं, थर्ड में थर्ड की बात कर रहा हूँ.
this one. देख बेटा, एक कर्व है. दिस इज नॉट स्ट्रेट लाइन. सी इन प्रॉपर वे. जूम करके देख. दिस इज नॉट स्ट्रेट लाइन. कर्व है, कर्व, प्रॉपर कर्व है. यस और नो डियर स्टूडेंट? किसी को ये स्ट्रेट लाइन लग रही है? दिस इज कर्व. ओके, दैट इज नॉट. फॉर NAND के लिए पूरा स्ट्रेट लाइन है. सी देखो, पूरा स्ट्रेट लाइन. ओके, प्लीज प्रैक्टिस. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. यस, next is 4. That is gate number 4 is again which type of gate? Universal gate, that is NOR gate.
NOR gate.
Okay, now A bar plus B bar whole bar is input of gate number 4, and again
4.
take again
A bar plus
B bar.
double whole bar आएगा.
Yes, so double whole bar होगा. And final answer is your A bar plus
B bar.
A bar plus B bar. Again, dear student, A bar plus B bar can be written as A into B. Okay, otherwise you only write up to a bar plus b bar. Okay. If you want to write, then you can write also based on the Morgan's theorem, a bar plus b bar equal to a b. Yes, dear student, understood right hand side, which is the combination of NOR gate.
NOR gate.
Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. अब भी देखो मैं प्रॉपर ड्रॉ करके दे रहा हूँ, प्लीज ट्राई फॉर दैट. टेक स्केल, pencil, or you can directly draw with your with pen. Okay, there is no need to use pencil eraser. Okay, directly draw with color pen, no problem. Okay, based on that you can easily differentiate. Now see, next is, yes, your left hand side is of which gate?
NOR gate.
NOR gate. And here A and B are
Two
inputs.
inputs.
Two inputs है. Okay.
A bar
Therefore,
plus B bar.
तो NOR गेट का क्या आएगा? Can I write like
A
this
bar plus B bar.
for NOR
Yes,
gate?
sir.
A plus.
Yes, sir.
This is pronounced as A plus B whole bar, not A bar plus B bar. Okay. So
A plus
A
whole
plus
bar.
B whole bar. Now, 1, 2. And for this case, for A plus B bar and take one more bar. Okay. And in final answer is your
A plus B.
A plus B.
A plus B.
And which is your
OR gate.
OR gate.
No. Super, super. Yes, right hand side. Right hand side is again, yes, right hand side is OR gate.
OR gate. Three
OR
inputs.
gate, but the input. Therefore, here I'll write A, B, C. Or therefore, can I write Y equal to A plus B?
A plus B plus C.
Okay, A plus B plus C. Yes, can I proceed for next point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, see. To the diagram, and in this case, A and B are two inputs, and here we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 NOR gates.
NOR
I will
gates.
write 1, 2, 5, and 6. Okay. Now input of gate 1 is only B, therefore here I'll write B bar.
B bar.
Input of gate number 2 is
Is
A,
A.
तो
A
ये क्या
bar.
होगा? A bar. Input of gate 3. What are the inputs of gate 3?
A bar plus
Inputs of gate number 3. Inputs of gate number 3 are A and B bar. Understood, dear student? This can be written as A plus B bar
the whole bar.
whole bar. Input of gate 4 are A bar and B. Therefore,
B.
output can be written as
A
A
bar
bar
plus
plus
B
B
the whole.
whole bar.
very good, nice. Output of gate 5, here I'll write, can be written as addition of
A
input
A
plus
plus
B
C
bar
bar.
the whole bar.
The whole bar.
plus
Plus
A bar
A bar plus B the
bar
Double
the
bar,
whole
sir.
bar.
हाँ.
again over time. Understood? Hello student. Understood up to this level?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, please tell me final output, which is output of gate number 6. Okay. Now see.
Double whole bar.
Very good. Nice. Superb. Superb. That is the complement of your input output of gate number 5. Okay. Now see. Can I write like this? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Can I write like this? Yes. Now,
Yes, sir.
therefore, again, then next is what? Remove that double bar. Okay, remove that double bar, and therefore final answer can be written as like this. Final answer can be written as, dear student, a plus b bar whole bar,
Whole bar
okay,
plus
plus a
A
bar plus
bar
b
plus B
whole bar.
whole bar.
Okay, this is your final. Yes, student, understood up to this level?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any doubt
Yes, sir.
you can ask. Okay, next is see, I will. Yes. Uh, this is about the transistor section. That is okay, different thing. Okay. This assignment is already I have shared via WhatsApp. Okay. Now I will give some hints. Okay. See, give the question number 1 is give the advantages of digital circuit. Okay. Dear student, please take printout of this assignment, or otherwise you can take a long book and write question and then answer, and each question on single page. Okay, then leave 1 or 2 lines, again start making next question. See, can you write advantage of digital circuit? Here student, hello, I'm giving just hints
Yes,
for
sir.
assignment. Okay, then next is comparison between analog circuit and digital circuit using these points: type of signal, type of display, what is the accuracy for analog and digital. Okay, next is what is the, see, what is the memory related to analog, digital, noise effect, then temperature effect, communication between system, and examples of okay. Then third, what is the positive logic, negative logic. Okay, next is explain NAND gate. For explanation of NAND gate, draw symbol of NAND gate and then draw truth table. Can you solve this question number
Yes,
4?
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
I already
Yes, sir.
given in notes. Okay.
Sir, we
Please
can add
take,
the IC number also.
yes. Draw also IC diagram, internal IC diagram, which is already given to you. Okay. There are 4 2 input NAND gates. Okay. And uh, for that use my notes. Okay. Okay. You can explain 90. You can draw. Please draw. Please write IC number. Draw internal diagram of IC number, truth table. Okay, and logic symbol. Next one is a NOR gate. Yes. Can you solve this question? Question number 5. Same procedure.
Yes,
Same
sir.
procedure. Same procedure. IC number. Draw internal diagram. Okay, and then truth table which yeah, represents input as well as output. Okay, now,
सर वो पूरा सर्किट बनाना है आईसी का जिसके अंदर
yes,
6 गेट कंटेन करते हैं.
6 नहीं, नॉर्म में 4 ही रहते हैं ना.
हाँ सॉरी वही 4.
Yes, please. Okay, next is yes, state what is the concept of universal gate. Can you tell what is the meaning of universal gate? Anyone?
Sir, it is a kind of gate which can
Yes.
give the equations for any other gates, sir, like AND or not.
Okay, see, dear student, state the meaning of means universal gates means using this gate we can implement all Boolean equation of basic gates, means
Yes, sir,
and
basic gates.
or not.
Not.
And NAND NOR are referred to as universal gate, and then write IC. Okay. Next, why NAND? Same answer. You can write same again. Then yes. Next question is C. Construct basic gate using NAND. Can you solve this? Yes, student. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Already
Yes,
given.
sir.
Okay. Draw that diagram. Okay. Draw macrosite diagram and write each and every step. Okay. How? What are the steps to convert your NAND into NOT or AND? Then
सर
similarly
ये
you can.
आपने सॉल्व कराया था पहले ही.
yes, वेरी गुड नाइस. तो वो आप ये कर सकते हैं. इसलिए मैं सब क्वेश्चन का मैं आई एम गिविंग हिंट्स. ओके. देन आई थिंक देयर विल बी नो प्रॉब्लम ड्यूरिंग सॉल्विंग दिस. Okay, next is NOR. I think based on NAND you can solve this question number 9. Okay. Next is yes. Yes, state and explain De Morgan's theorem. Write that equation and only statement. Then I will give what are the laws, commutative law, associative law for Boolean algebra. Okay. Then law of distributive. Yes, XOR gate. Can you solve question number 14?
Yes, sir.
XOR.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Draw logic symbol, truth table, and Boolean equation. And for Boolean equation of XOR gate is we can write A equal to A bar into B plus yes A B bar or A XOR B. Okay. Plus sign is embedded in that circle. Okay. Yes. And this is from I think question number 15. I have already given
15.
all these solution. Dear student, please rewrite all this, and if you have any doubt, any query, or any suggestion, you can contact me. Yes, any doubt, any suggestion up to this level, and
So
thank
you're
you so
going
much.
to
Yes, dear student, bol.
so you're going to share this PDF, right?
Yes. I will share all these. I will convert. Give me 5 to 10 minutes. I will convert
Yes,
into
sir.
PDF format, and then I will share. At the same time, I will share video. इसका मैं रिकॉर्डिंग जो किया है ना, वो भी मैं
हाँ.
आपको शेयर करूंगा.
Okay.
मतलब जो आपको यू कैन इजीली सी. ठीक है.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
और
सर
जो
सॉल्व करके क्लासरूम पे सेंड करना है या ग्रुप में?
अभी आपके टेक लॉन्ग बुक और लॉन्ग बुक में लिखो, एंड देन आई विल ट्राई टू अरेंज ऑनलाइन एग्जाम. हर एक को मैं बुला के आई विल चेक. ओके. डोंट से ऑन
Yes, sir.
ग्रुप. मेक लॉन्ग बुक और लॉन्ग बुक में क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Write question number 1, then answer. You can use color pen, no problem. You can use pen for to draw diagram. Understood? नहीं पेंसिल ही चाहिए, इरेजर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You can use directly draw circuit diagram using pen. No problem. ठीक है. Don't put on group. आपने जो किया है, just I will arrange separate Viva exam or for checking of I will make separate Zoom link for checking of all these assignments. ठीक है. तो आप सामने ही मेरे सामने आप दिखाओ मुझे. ओके. देयर इज नो नीड टू पुट ऑल दिस ऑन ग्रुप. ठीक है. आई विल चेक इंडिविजुअली. ओके.
Okay, sir.
एंड मैं रिक्वेस्ट जो एब्सेंट स्टूडेंट्स है उनको प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट अटेंड करो लेक्चर. मे बी कुछ जेन्युइन प्रॉब्लम भी होगा, दे आर नॉट अटेंडिंग. ओके. जस्ट एंड शेयर ऑल दिस नॉलेज विथ योर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो. ओके. क्योंकि नॉलेज से नॉलेज बढ़ता है, पता है ना. तो उनको भी हेल्प करो, जो एब्सेंट है उनको भी आप थोड़ा हेल्प करो. ओके. एंड उनको सजेस्ट करो प्लीज अटेंड लेक्चर. यस. एनी डाउट अप टू दिस लेवल और एनी सजेशन?
No, sir.
एंजॉय किया आपने लेक्चर? यस और नो? हेलो स्टूडेंट.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And try to find out what are the applications. इसके applications क्या है for our society, for our upliftment of society. Why we are studying? Don't study only for marks. Try to find out. Okay. your application of these in our daily life, different types of appliances, electrical circuits or electronic appliances. Okay. Thank you so much, dear student. Thank you. And please write your full name and roll number in chat box.